Hey everyone, so you've seen me posting one creamy, buttery and delicious looking buttermilk chicken noodles. So let me show you how to make today. So back in Malaysia, buttermilk chicken is very creamy, very buttery. It's not like the kind of buttermilk that you get from like fried chicken. First thing, let's make the batter for the chicken. So what you'll need is some flour. To the flour, I'm gonna add an egg. Adding some Mak Tok signature chili paste. Season it with a bit of salt. I'm adding a bit of my evaporated milk. Now if you can't get hold of evaporated milk, you can use full cream milk as well, but then it wouldn't taste as rich as the one that we're making today. Let's just mix this batter up. The next step is to slice the chicken. Once that's done, I'm just going to put it into the batter. Now let's just coat all our chicken with the batter. Now I usually use a fork so that I will just gently poke the chicken so that the batter will actually flow into it and you get like a nicer tasting chicken. That is done, let's get frying. I'm adding some oil. Now let's add in our chicken. Now don't throw your batter away because we've got something interesting you can make with it. Now our chicken is done, we're just gonna scoop them by. Now I don't need this oil anymore, I'm just gonna pour it aside, but I can keep it as well for my batter in a bit. Now I've just washed my wok, because you need a clean wok for the next step. Now I'm using some unsalted butter because I like to season them on my own in a bit. This is my secret ingredient over here, some dried curry leaves. I'm gonna add in my evaporated milk. Our second secret ingredient, half a tablespoon of curry powder. Make sure to cook this on low heat. Now the curry powder is going to give you like a nice flavor as well as the color that you will need. To this, I'm adding our egg noodles. I would say use dried egg noodles for this recipe, only because you want the egg noodles to soak up all the delicious sauces. This next step is optional. I'm adding in a bird's eye chili. You can use any kind of chili, or if you want to skip this, totally fine. Adding in this bird's eye chili because number one, I like the heat. Number two, I like the color. If it gets too dry, add a bit of water. Let's season them with a bit of salt. I'm adding a bit of sugar as well, just to sweeten things up. And a dash of white pepper. Add in all of our chicken. Dash of garlic powder. Give it one good last stir and we are done. Okay, now that this is done, I'm gonna scoop it up. Alright guys, let's try our buttermilk chicken noodles. The taste is amazing. It's buttery, it's creamy, and you can't really taste the heat unless you bite into the bird's eye chili, of course. So guys, if you know anyone who loves something buttery and creamy in their noodles or pasta, you gotta share this recipe with them. If you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! By the way guys, remember the batter we have left over? Now just get yourself a pan and let's do some pancake. Now I'm pouring in my leftover oil. Now let's add in our batter. Flip this over. And now this is done. Delicious. Or if you got some green onions, I think you can just mix it with the batter and then just pan fry it. It tastes a bit like the Korean pancake. Give this a go, let me know how it goes. See you later.